It's English time! Learn English now. Let's sing and sign and learn. Farm animals.
Follow Hopkins to Leahs Farm.
Farm. It's an open hand that slides all the way from jaw to jaw, like the fence across the front of the farm. Farm.
Farm. She's running to the farm. 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 They're at the farm. Like the fence of the farm. Farm. Chicken.
Chicken. This is the sign for chicken. Make the sign for bird, and then you peck at the ground. Chicken.
Chicken. A chicken. Sign bird, then peck the ground. Bark, bark, bark. Let's sign chicken. Chicken. Horse.
Horse. Make your two fingers flap like a horse's ear. It's also an H for horse. Horse.
Horse. Wave his ear. Neigh. The horse is eating. Sign horse. Horse. Goat.
Goat. Show the goat's chin hair and its horns. Goat.
Goat. It's the chin hair and the horns. Nah. It's a little goat. Say goat. Goat. Mouse.
Mouse. Take your pointer and brush the end of your nose, showing the mouse's little nose. Mouse.
They're signing mouse. Brush your nose. A mouse. Mouse. Sign mouse with Rachel. Mouse. Leah. Rooster.
Rooster. Make a 3 and put your thumb on your forehead. Looks just like a rooster's comb. Rooster.
Rooster. Wow, Rooster. Make a 3 on your forehead for Rooster. Rooster. Oh, Hopkins. He shared the sheep.
Sheep. Take your 2 fingers and move it up your arm like you're shearing sheep. Sheep.
Sheep. Sheep. Shear the sheep. Bah, bah. Sheep. Sign sheep. Sheep. Cow.
Cow. Make a Y and put it up on the side of your forehead like a cow's little horn. Can you sign cow?
Cow. That's a big cow. Moo. Make the cow's little horn. Sign cow. Cow. Donkey.
Donkey. Put your thumb on the side of your forehead and wave your whole hand like a donkey's ear. Donkey.
Donkey. I like the donkey. Hee-haw, hee-haw. Chicken sign, donkey. Sign donkey. Donkey. Pig.
Pig. Put your hand under your chin and wave it like food dripping off a pig's chin. Pig.
Pig. Show food on the pig's chin. Sign pig with us. Pig. Turkey.
Turkey. Take your thumb and pointer at your chin, pointing down like the turkey's waddle. Turkey.
Turkey. I see a turkey. Show his waddle. Turkeys. Gobble, gobble, gobble. Help Rachel sign turkey. Turkey.
Down on Leah's farm there is one yellow chicken. One yellow, one yellow, one yellow chicken. And down on Leah's farm there are 2 brown horses. One brown, 2 brown, 2 brown horses. Down on Leah's farm there are 3 white goats. 1 white, 2 white, 3 white goats. And they all live inside the big barn house. And somewhere in the walls there lives a little mouse. And everybody's dancing at the big barn house, yeah. Everybody's dancing, everybody's happening. Everybody's happy down on Leahs Farm. Everybody's hopping, nobody's stopping. 'Cause everybody's happy down on Leahs Farm. Down on Leah's farm there is one red rooster. One red, one red, one red rooster. Down on Leah's farm there are 2 black sheep. 1 black, 2 black, 2 black sheep. Down on Leah's farm there are 3 spotted cats. 1 spotted 2 spotted, 3 spotted cows, and they all live inside the big barn house. And somewhere in the walls there lives a little mouse, and everybody's dancing at the big barn house, yeah! Everybody's dancing, everybody's happening, everybody's happy down on Leahs Farm. Everybody's hopping, no, nobody's stopping, 'cause everybody's happy down on Leahs Down on Leahs Farm there is one gray donkey, one gray donkey. And down on Leahs Farm there are 2 pink piggies, 1 pink, 2 pink, 2 pink piggies. And down on Leahs Farm there are 3 fat turkeys, 1 fat, 2 fat, 3 fat turkeys, and they all live inside a big barn house. And somewhere in the walls there lives a little mouse, and everybody's dancing at the big barn house, yeah! Everybody's dancing, everybody's happening, everybody's happy down on Leahs Farm. Everybody's hopping and nobody's stopping, 'cause everybody's happy down on Leahs
Thanks for watching English Time. Make sure to subscribe for more videos, and we'll see you next time.